This tutorial will guide you through the steps required to connect a RedV A1000T media player to a monitor and to register it to your RedV Cloud account. First of all, unbox the media player along with its HDMI cable, power supply, and Wi-Fi antenna. Connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port. Then, connect the power supply cable. The media player will turn on automatically. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna. Now, connect the HDMI cable to your monitor, if it wasn't already connected. Connect the mouse or a keyboard to one of the available USB ports on the media player. Later on, when the configuration is complete, they can be removed. Now, right-click with the mouse to open the home page, and right-click again to stop the countdown. To set up the Wi-Fi, click on the Tools button to access Android settings. Select your Wi-Fi network and insert the password if required. You will now register the media player to your RedV Cloud account. Two methods are available. The first method requires a mouse connected to the media player. Click on the Gears button to open RedV settings. Select CMS Server URL and enter just RedV. Click on the field below to enter the company account name. Note that RedV has been replaced with the full URL of the CMS. Enter your account name and then right-click with the mouse to go back. Save the configuration. The second method to configure the media player requires a PC connected to the same local network. On your favorite browser, enter the URL shown on the home page. Enter the username and the password, which is admin by default. From the left menu bar, select Settings and then Configuration. Now enter the CMS server URL and your company account name. Save the configuration. You are now ready to register your device. Log in to your RedV Cloud account and open the Unregistered Devices page. Your media player should be listed as active. Click the plus button and then enter a meaningful device name and assign it to a channel. Press the Save button. After a few minutes, depending on the total size of the media files, the player will start playing the contents. You are now ready to manage your device from your RedV Cloud account.